Hi everyone! If you guys want to see how I got this cute, messy pirate hair look, keep watching. So the great thing about being a pirate is their hair is not perfect by all means. It's actually very like, I don't know, they're out in sea. So what does that mean? It's like tangly, it's just super effortless. So I'm gonna curl my hair and wave it a little bit, but by all means, it does not need to be perfect. We don't want it to look pretty. It's more of a messy look. I mean, they're out in sea, come on. Do they like have a hairbrush with them? Probably not. So the more messy, tangly it is, the better. I'm gonna quickly wave it. I'm gonna alternate the waves because that gives more of an effortless vibe. I'm gonna use a 1.25 inch curling iron. The bigger the barrel, the looser the wave, so that's kind of what I'm going for today. So always start off with some heat protectant. This is from Sexy Hair. I always section my hair, but for today, I don't even think I'm gonna section it, to be honest. Grab big pieces and just put some wave in there. You can wrap some pieces around. You can curl. The less uniform the curls are, the better. So that's what I'm gonna do, and yeah. Okay, so I'm gonna take big sections. So here I'm gonna curl away from my face. I have the clamp in the front and I curl away from my face. And as you can see, when I take it out, I drag down and I kind of tug on the curl so it's more of a wave and not a bouncy curl. And then over here, I'm going to alternate it. So the next one, I'm going to curl towards my face. I have the clamp in the back and I'm going to twist the curling iron towards my face. Again, when I take it out, I kind of drag it down and tug on that wave so it's not a bouncy curl. And for the front pieces, I make sure to do both away from my face. And then the rest, I kind of just wing it. So I'm going to use it as a wand. I'm going to use it as a curling iron. You guys can do it whatever you guys want. Just make it super effortless and not so uniform. So here I'm going to wrap some pieces, going away from my face, going towards my face. And I'm clamping here. And then on the other side, same thing. Just curl away from your face when you do the bang area. But the rest, you can just do whatever you guys please. So you guys can curl some, you guys can wrap some, you guys can alternate it. Just make it super effortless. The less uniform, the better. And the less bouncy, the better too. So I like to kind of just let the curling iron go and not curl all the way to the ends because I don't want the ends to be too curled. As you saw, I wasn't putting really any effort. I was just wrapping some pieces, curling some pieces, taking big pieces, leaving some straighter too. But adding a texture spray is gonna make it even more messy, more textured, open up the waves a little bit, and just give it more of that like, if you were in the ocean type of feel. So, spray that on. And honestly, I'm gonna add a bandana up top, so the top doesn't matter. Usually I'll be fluffing it for more volume, but not necessary here. To make it more messy, you can back brush it a little bit. Now I'm gonna add random braids in my hair. So you could pick up whatever pieces. I think I'll probably do like 2 here, 2 here. A regular 3-strand braid. I'm gonna take some volumizing texture powder and to make the braids a little bigger and fluff them up. It adds grit and it just helps me really expand those braids. And I just rub on them. You could pull them. Like individually, you could pull on the edges like this, but I just like rub on it and it expands them. Okay. I have these little rings that I got on Amazon. They're hair rings. I think that's what I put in it. So I'm just gonna stick them on the braids. And last thing to dress this up is a bandana. You can do the ones that go like that so you don't have to cover your whole hair, but I only have the one that like it's pretty big. So I'm gonna have it like a triangle. I'm gonna put it over my head like that and then wrap it around. Tease it a little more and then I'm all done. and just zhuzh it up with your fingers like this, mess it up. So yeah, so this is my pirate look. Let me see if I can show you my full outfit. Like, I don't know if you can see everything. I hope you guys like this look. It's honestly so easy because the messier you are with it, the better. So just have fun with it. Make sure to comment below if there's anything else you guys would like to see. Like and subscribe. Also follow my Instagram because I give so many hair tips on there. And I hope you guys like this video, and I will see you guys next time.